Welcome to the app, Placing Fractions in Circles. This app is recommended for use when introducing fractions to students. Let's bring some fractions onto the screen. We're going to drag from this arrow, and we brought in the fourth. Now, let's move down to a third and a half. We can represent these fractions as words by clicking Fractions in Words. We believe this is a good way to start working with fractions. Now, let's bring in circles and drag some in. 1, 2, 3. Now we can place the fraction inside the circle to get the visual representation of it. So we see the half, third, and quarter. We can now see that the quarter is smaller than a third, and a third is smaller than a half. We can bring the fractions back out by simply dragging them out like this and placing them here. Now let's hit the Control key and drag the fraction to duplicate it. So again, hold the Control key down, drag, and duplicate. Now let's place the fractions inside the circles. So we see 2 halves fill the circle. Now for the thirds. Instead of filling them one by one, here, let's show another thing we can do. We can place the third on top of another third to get 2 thirds. So again, this still is in words, and it's a more intuitive way of seeing the fraction. 2 thirds. So let's place the 2 thirds in, then we see the 2 thirds and the other third. With the quarters, we can put one on top of the other to get 2 quarters. Put it in. We can see this is half. Let's put these in together as well. So we saw some things that we can do with the app. Let's move to a new page. Now let's mix some different fractions together in the same circle. So let's take out the third. Again, move to words. A third. And change it to a quarter. Bring in a circle, and we can ask students if they think all these can fit together in the same circle. Let's check. Third, third, and a quarter fits. Let's take it out. What about if we take a half? So let's take in a half. Try to put it in, and the app won't let it fit. If there are more fractions than of a unit, it won't fit. We can demonstrate this for the students if we want by bringing in another circle and showing the half and visually seeing that it really will not fit. Let's open the new page. Let's bring in a third. We will leave it as a third. Bring in a circle, place it in the circle, and now we have allow division. This way, we can show that a third is also 2/6. And that's it. We saw the tools of the app, a little bit of what you can do with them, and we hope your students enjoy this app in class. Thanks for watching.